Hello, how's everyone doing today? For camera enthusiasts and anyone looking to step up their photography game, the Pentax MX-1 is an interesting option. This compact camera is designed to deliver quality performance in a stylish package, making it a great choice for both casual shooters and those who take their photography more seriously. Let's dive into what makes the Pentax MX-1 stand out. First off, let's talk about the design. The Pentax MX-1 has a classic look with a retro aesthetic that appeals to many users. The body features a mix of metal and high-quality plastic, which gives it a sturdy feel without being overly heavy. The camera is compact enough to fit in your pocket, making it convenient for travel and everyday use. Now, onto the lens. The MX-1 boasts a fast 1.8 to 2.5 lens with a Vortex optical zoom, which is great for low-light conditions and allows for beautiful background blur in portraits. The focal length ranges from 28mm to 112mm equivalent, providing versatility for various shooting scenarios, whether you're capturing landscapes or close-ups. In terms of image quality, the Pentax MX-1 features a 12-megapixel, 1.7-inch back-illuminated CMOS sensor. This sensor is designed to deliver impressive image quality with good detail and color reproduction. The camera also supports RAW image capture, which is beneficial for those who prefer to edit their photos post-shoot. Another notable feature is the built-in image stabilization, which helps reduce blur from camera shake, especially useful when shooting at slower shutter speeds. The camera also includes a range of shooting modes and filters that allow users to get creative with their photos. Whether you're in automatic mode or manually adjusting settings, the MX-1 provides flexibility for various photography styles. For video enthusiasts, the Pentax MX-1 can record full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second. The quality of the video is solid, with decent audio recording capabilities. The camera also features a tilting LCD screen, making it easier to frame shots from different angles, which can be particularly useful for vlogging or capturing unique perspectives. In summary, the Pentax MX-1 offers a blend of stylish design, quality optics, and practical features that make it a compelling choice for those seeking a compact camera. Its ability to deliver high-quality images and videos, along with its user-friendly controls, positions it well for both novices and experienced photographers. If you're considering a versatile camera that won't break the bank, the Pentax MX-1 is worth a look. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more camera reviews and photography tips. Thanks for watching.